Removing the Mazda 3 infotainment system requires careful attention to detail and the right tools. This process involves several key steps that vary slightly depending on your model year. First, you'll need the proper tools. Plastic trim removal tools are essential to avoid damaging your dashboard's finish. These specialized tools come in various shapes to handle different clip types. Step 1. Carefully remove the trim pieces surrounding the infotainment unit. These are typically held in place by plastic clips. Use your trim removal tools to gently pry these pieces away from the dashboard. Step 2. Locate and remove the screws or bolts securing the head unit to the dashboard. These are usually found on the sides or corners of the unit once the trim is removed. Step 3. Disconnect all wiring harnesses from the back of the unit. Take note of their positions and colors for proper reassembly. Each connector has a specific function for power, audio, and data. Important: specific steps can vary depending on your Mazda 3 model year. Earlier models may have different trim configurations or mounting methods. Always consult your specific year's service manual. If you're planning to install an aftermarket system, be aware that this can be complicated and may affect other car functions. Some users have reported electrical issues after installation. When done correctly, you should have successfully removed your infotainment system with all components intact and ready for service or replacement. Before beginning any infotainment system work, safety must be your top priority. The first and most critical step is disconnecting your car's battery to prevent electrical shorts and potential damage. When removing dashboard trim and panels, patience is essential. Working too quickly or using excessive force can result in broken clips, cracked plastic, or permanent damage to your vehicle's interior. Documentation is crucial for successful reassembly. Take clear photographs of all wiring connections before disconnecting anything. This simple step can save hours of troubleshooting later. If you're installing an aftermarket system, compatibility is critical. Ensure your chosen unit works with your specific Mazda 3 model year and that you have all necessary adapters and wiring harnesses. Be aware that aftermarket installations can sometimes cause problems. Common issues include loss of volume control, Apple CarPlay crashes, black screens, or electrical system conflicts that may drain your battery. If you're not completely comfortable with these procedures, or if you encounter unexpected complications, don't hesitate to seek professional assistance. A qualified technician can prevent costly damage to your vehicle's electrical system.